Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make any iPhone automatically delete all old SMS. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen, right? So here you can see in the below the messaging application, that is iMessage applications. Just click on it. Now say I have some SMS, right? So I have received like yesterday or day before yesterday or on the respective date. So how to make any iPhone automatically delete all SMS? So you may be thinking that by going to this SMS applications and you can see you can edit or do anything, and you're thinking by clicking on the filters you can delete those SMS automatically, but you can't do by going inside the application. What you need to do is you need to open the settings, and under the settings just scroll down below and you can see here messages, right? Just click on it. Now under the messages you will see a tons of options, right? Just scroll and you can see an option written in the message history, keep messages, right? Here just click on it. Now how long you want to keep your SMS? So if you want to keep it forever, you can select the forever. If you want to auto delete it within a 30 days, you can select the 30 days. So all the old messages will be removed once you select the 30 days. You can select the 30 days, or if you want to select the after in the 1 year, then you can select the 1 year. So if you want it to be automatically get deleted, then you can select the 30 days also, depending upon how long you want to keep it. So once your setting is done, now let's move back to the iMessage application. So after 30 days the message you are seeing right now will get deleted automatically. So if you are a person who don't feel like deleting one by one every time, and you want your old SMS should be deleted automatically after a few days, then you can do a settings like that. So if you never known how to make any iPhone automatically delete all old SMS, then definitely you should try this cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.